Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, I am going to explain the ASTM standard related to civil engineering QA/QC. These standards are important for civil engineering interviews. Let's get started. Question: what does ASTM stand for and what is its purpose? Answer: ASTM stand for the American Society for Testing and Materials. Its purpose is to develop and publish technical standards for materials, products, systems, and services to ensure quality, safety, and reliability. Founded 1898 in USA. ASTM designation like A, B, C, D, and E refers to different categories of standard. Now, ASTM C. What is C? C143. Now here is explaining. A. Metals and materials. B. Non-porous metals. C. Concrete and concrete aggregate and cement. D. As represent plastic, rubbers, and soil. E. Energy and environment. Each letter represent a specific area of focus within the ASTM standard. Example: ASTM C. C as represent concrete or cement, and the M indicate a metric version of the ASTM standard providing specification and metric units. M as represent metric. Example: 136 M. M as represent metric. Okay, now I'm going to explain what is ASTM C31. C31 is we are making and curing concrete test specimen in the field. We are following ASTM rules, regulation, C31. Purpose or what purpose we are using C31 specification, rules, regulation, and standard. For the purpose standard, practice for making and curing concrete test specimens in the field. Procedure involve creating concrete cylinder or cubes for strength testing. Application ensure consistency and reliability and concrete quality. Curing specimens must be cured under controlled condition. Importance provides data for evaluating concrete performance. We are making under C31 the rules, regulations, standards, specification, procedures, cylinder, cubes, and beams. Cylinder, cubes, and beams. Okay, what is C33? ASTM C33 concrete aggregate specification. Purpose defines quality and grading for concrete aggregates. ASTM C3156 standard test method for CV analysis of fine and coarse aggregates. Purpose determines the small particle size distribution of aggregate and soils. Method involves passing a sample through a series of CV with progressively smaller opening. Application use and construction materials testing and quality control of aggregate. Look at this, these all are small openings. Importance helps in classifying materials for concreting and other engineering application. These all are series, and the top one hole is open, and if we are going to downside, this is small more than the top one. What is the difference between ASTM C136 and ASTM D1556? The main difference between ASTM C136 standard test method for CV analysis of fine and coarse aggregate. We are conducting inspection C136 and fine and coarse aggregate, and 422 we are conducting particle size analysis of soils. ASTM C39M compressive strength of concrete specimens. Look at this one, this is concrete specimens, cylinder, and now this is the crushing machine. ASTM C39 as a standard test method for compressive strength of cylindrical concrete specimens. Purpose: to determine the compressive strength of cylindrical concrete specimen. This is specimen, this is the machine, and this is defining the strength of a concrete specimen. Okay, ASTM C78. ASTM C78 refers to the standard test method for flexure strength of concrete using simple beam with third point loading. This is beam, this is a compressive strength machine, and this is the third point loading 1, 2, and this is between two of them, this is 3. Third point loading, clear span divided by 3. This is our C78. ASTM C94 ready-mix concrete specification. Purpose: establishes a standard for ready-mix concrete to ensure consistency and quality. Standard specification defines requirement for ready-mix concrete, outlines materials production, here is production, and delivery, this is delivery, standard used for various construction projects requiring ready-mix concrete. Mixing, delivery, and placing focuses on the quality of mixing, delivery, and placing of concrete. Okay, ASTM C150 Portland cement specification. Purpose: specifies standard for Portland cement. Types: define type 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 based on properties. Applications: use in concrete for various construction purposes. Testing: outlines requirement for physical and chemical properties. Importance: ensure quality and consistency and cement production. ASTM C172, we are taking sample from freshly mixed concrete. ASTM C172 provides standards for sampling fresh concrete. Its purpose is to ensure that concrete samples are collected properly to accurately represent the entire batch. This helps assesses the quality, consistency, and also allows us to check for segregation and bleeding. When concrete arrives to the site, we take 1 cubic meter sample concrete, and that sample we are checking segregation, aggregation, concrete temperature. After that we are taking slump, and if we need 2 or 3 cylinder, 4 cylinder, we are using that concrete. If we need 6 cylinder, then we need more than 1 cubic meter. Sampling location: obtain samples from this discharge point of the mixer or transport vehicle. Equipment: use screen and tools to prevent contamination. Sample size: collect enough concrete, about 1 cubic foot, for testing. Documentation: record details such as the time, location, and condition of sampling. Testing purpose: ensure samples are used for strength, consistency, and other quality tests. Okay, now I'm going to explain ASTM C192, making and curing concrete test specimen and the laboratory. The other one is we are the C31 is we are taking specimen and the field in the site, and C192 we are taking and collecting, curing specimen and the laboratory. ASTM C192 outlines procedure for making and curing concrete test specimen and the laboratory. Its purpose is to ensure proper preparation for strength testing, ensuring accurate and reliable results. The required curing temperature for concrete specimens is 23 plus minus 2. 23 plus minus 2 degrees centigrade according to ASTM. This is I think 20 to 25 according to ASTM C192. Specimen must be removed from molds after 24 hours and placed in a curing environment. Curing environment is the temperature of curing environment is 24 ambient temperature. ASTM C231 air content of freshly mixed concrete. ASTM C231 specifies test method